Now we are going to be come to the practical section for the Hlookup function exact match. You can see here I created two worksheet. First sheet is contain the exact match for the Hlookup function. The second is approximate match for the Hlookup function. You can download this workbook under the resource sections. Now we are going to be do the practice. This is the Hlookup function exact match we are going to be use. This is the store management sheet. You can see here in the row product code, product name, category, brand, store 1, store 2, store 3, store 4, store 5, right? It means that product code LP01, the product name is laptop i3, category is i3 model, brand is HP, and store 1 available 35, store 2 available 40, store 3 available 64, store 4 available 25, store 5 is available 68, right? So this is the details available here. Likewise product code LP02, LP03, LP04, LP05, LP06. But here I create a chart. If I just enter the product code, the product name, product category, brand, store 1, store 2, store 3, store 4, store 5, available stock should be appear here. If you want to be retrieve the data from this range to here, we can use the Hlookup function, because we are going to be search based on the row index, right? If we search based on the column, we will use the Vlookup function, but here you can see the header is the row wise, so we need to use the Hlookup function, right? So now I'm going to be do the practice. So the first product code is unique value for here. So we are going to be search based on the product code. I'm going to be put the product code in this cell as a list. So how can I put as a list? It's a very simple. I'm going to go to the data ribbon and I'm going to be click the data validation, and I'm going to be click the list and the source file available here. This is the source, and I'm going to be click OK button. If I click OK button, you can see the product code available. So I'm going to be choose the LP001, right? So product name I'm going to be retrieve from this table to here. How can I get it? It's a very simple by using Hlookup function. So I'm going to put that equal sign. Then I need to call the Hlookup function. Start the bracket. We have to pass 4 parameters in the Hlookup function. The first one is lookup value. We are going to be retrieve the data based on the product code. So I'm going to be use the lookup value is the product code. I'm going to be choose comma, and table array, I'm going to be choose the table array here. This is the table array, right? And comma, and then row index. Here is not column index, this is a row index, because the headers are available, the details are available in the row wise, right? So the row index for the product name, where is available, which row available the product name available first row, second row. So second row, we have to enter the second comma. We need exact match or approximate match. We need exact match. What's appear in the cell, it should be appear here. So I'm going to be choose exact match. Then I'm going to be close the bracket, then enter. So the product name is laptop i3, right? Okay. So category is which row? First, second, third row. So just I'm going to be copy this formula. I can copy this formula here also, and I'm going to be paste here. But the row index is not 2. This is the 3. 4 categories. You can see product code 1, product name second, the third is category. So third row we need to be choose. If I enter the 3, the category will appear here. So i3 model. Then brand 4, store 1 5, store 2 is 6. Likewise, I have to enter. I have already copied the formula, and I'm going to be enter here. This is the third, and brand is available in the fourth row. So I'm going to be paste the formula, and I'm going to be change 4 and enter. And the store one available in the fifth row, and I'm going to be enter. And this is the sixth row, and this is the seventh row, and this is the eighth row, and the store 5 is ninth row, and enter. Now your inventory status chart is ready. If you choose any product code, it will retrieve the data from this table. For an example, if I click the LP002, you can see LP002 is the laptop i3 and i3 model, Samsung 54, 68, 98, 32 and 65, right? Likewise, you can retrieve the data from this range to here, right? So if you change anything else here, it will be reflect here. For example, I'm going to be change LP002. This is 70, right? If I change 70, here also will change. For example, 70. You can see 70. But actually this is 65. So I'm going to be enter. So anything changed in this range, it will be reflect here. So this is the perfect. This is the very simple to retrieve the data by using HLOOKUP function.